What up, Bossalinas? We're going on a little solo adventure today. I just found out that there's a motorcycle museum in town. I don't even know how long it's been here, but nobody ever told me about it. It's a motorcycle / sculpture museum. This is kind of exciting, man. I already cheated and went and looked online, but I didn't look a lot because I wanted to be surprised. And we got a new gimbal, so we can go test out the gimbal. All right, let's do this shit, huh? And it is a sweet, like, 72 right now. Oh, hell yeah, dude. All right. Checking doors that I already know are closed. Whatever, bro. Peace of mind is priceless. I don't care who you are. Oh, shit. What's up, bro? What is your fucking... What? What? Dude, I'm doing like 20 miles an hour. Chill the fuck out, bro. We're neighbors. You need to calm down. It's Saturday. Look how beautiful it is. You're washing your fucking car. Chill, dude. I've been here since 05. Piss off, bro. God, dude. Fucking Karen ass fucking... God, dude. Oh, you fucking motherfucker. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Bitch ass motherfucker. Come here. Come here. You spray me with that fucking spray, motherfucker? You gonna rev up? I'm gonna fucking punch in your fucking face, bitch. Motherfucker. Here you go.
That's called assault.
Do what you gotta do.
Do what I gotta do?
You spray me in the face with chemicals. He sprayed me in my eyes with that shit. I got it on camera. So take that punch and don't ever do that shit again.
This is water, dude.
That is chemicals. I smell it, dude. You spray me in my face. He sprayed me in my face. Listen, I would have never done that. I haven't punched a guy in years. That dude sprayed me in my face with chemicals. Fuck it.
You're your neighbor.
Fuck it, bro. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Like, I just raged because he sprayed me in the face. It got in my eyes. My eye is burning right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm so sorry. If y'all want to call the police, do whatever you got to do. He sprayed me in the face with chemicals. You sprayed me in my face, dude. You asked for it. I was minding my business. You gonna do what? You doing what?
If you want me to call the cops, I'll be more than happy to call the cops, but you gotta stick around. If you're gonna run away, then go for it.
I'm going to do my thing. I'm going to shoot a video. You sprayed me in the face with chemicals. If you want to accept that punch, I'll accept the spray. They're going to take us both to jail, dude. Is that what you want? Have you been drinking?
No.
Me neither. Is that what you want, dude? Come on, we're blocking the alley.
Let's do this. I don't want to be...
Don't swing on me, bro. Don't swing on me.
I'm not.
All right.
Fair?
Yeah, dude, I'm cool.
Okay.
All right.
Can you do me a favor?
What?
Keep it under 10.
Don't tell me how to ride, dude.
No,
I'm not going to listen to that.
The speed limit is 10 miles
Bro,
an hour.
I was doing 10. It seems fast because I'm loud.
You just said...
Bro, I stopped right here. Dude, don't start it over. Don't start it over. Shake on it like you wanted to. All right. Fuck that guy, bro. I just dicked his motherfucking ass. I hit him pretty fucking hard too. I didn't want to knock him out. I just wanted to punch him. He sprayed me with that shit, bro. Bro, y'all getting a crazy ass video today. This was gonna be a motorcycle museum video, dude. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit, dude. Angry motherfucking G, bitch. Oh. Whew. Bro, I fucking hit that motherfucker, dude. Fuck him. Oh, yeah, what's up, bro? Yeah, dude. Ooh. Sick! Hell yeah, Saturday! I fucking hit that bitch right in his motherfucking face, dude. I should have kept hitting him. Bro, he sprayed me in the face with chemicals, y'all. Like Armor All or something. Ooh. It's some kind of window glass, orange citrus glass cleaner. He tried to say it was water. Oh, fuck yes. Let's get it. It's over, it's over. Come on. We'll go back and watch the video, relive it later. But now, woohoo! I'm telling y'all, bro, I had enough of these motherfuckers, dude. You know what? There we go. Had enough of them, dude. Shit, bro. Damn, dude, you leave the house, you never know what the fuck's gonna happen. I'm glad I left the house today. Usually I barely ever leave the house, dude. Pretty much every time I leave the house, you're seeing it. I'm making a video of it. Damn, I almost landed myself in fucking jail. I don't think you thought I was gonna do it. Because nobody thinks there's consequences for shit anymore. They think they could just do whatever. Alright, y'all, let's go to the museum. We're going to a museum after violently punching a guy in the face. Dude, if you don't watch my channel, you're missing out. It's gonna be a pretty long ride. We're taking this to the tollway, and then we're going downtown, baby. Solo D. Oh, hell yeah, dude. That's the Angry D stamp of approval. You get 4 revs. Depending on how many revs you get is how good I like your shit. I don't trust this ground. It's like these grilled on lines. Look how bumpy it is. I hate this turn going fast, bro. It's terrifying. Look at it. It's bumpy as shit. That's why I'm just doing what it says. Well, 60. It says 40. Oh, we're racing them. Smoke them. Shake and bake. We drafted them. All right. Woo! The world famous Dallas North Tollway. Many a life has been claimed by this sumbitch. It almost took me out. It still might. I want to see Mez come through here at 189. These lanes are skinny, bro. There ain't a lot of room on this tollway. Yeah, bro. Today's a fucking wild ass day. There might be cops in my house when I get home. I'm a motherfucking hooligan. Where do we go? Take a right, baby. Yeah, dude. Dallas, what up? What up, downtown? I know this ain't a good shot. We'll try to find something better. If not, this is what you get. You'll know because this is what you'll be seeing. Now, dude, this is like prime location to get your shit stolen. No lie, dude. I'm putting it right by the front door. I want to put this bitch on the sidewalk, dude. Oh, there's a security guard right there by the door, dude. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. soak this in. I can't. It's too much. We have to come back a lot. But I don't mind coming back a lot because this is awesome, dude. The little nut fell off my rear mount. I don't know, it's somewhere on the ground. I don't see it though. Everything's gray. It's like blending in with everything. And if I walk around looking for something shiny, everybody's gonna think I'm a fucking crackhead. Y'all see it? Where's it at? It's the little nut that goes on the side of the GoPro mount where it's just screw to screw in. See that little deal is going? Boop. So no rear cam on the way home, guys. This place is amazing, by the way. It is amazing. If you're in Dallas, you absolutely have to come here. You guys, when y'all come ride with Mez, when y'all come kick it with Q, Fast Lane, when you come out here, bro, you need to come check this shit out, bro. I'm gonna put it right here for a nice little quick shot. My guy go, that dude's cool. Moto Head Media. I just met that guy. He's in town doing something else, and he's like, man, I can't believe I didn't know about this place. All right, look. Let's get that right there. Let's get that. Yeah, dude. All right, let's get out of here. All right, y'all, we're going home. Try not to punch the neighbor. That was cool, man. Them dudes in there are awesome, bro. He refunded my money. I didn't even, bro. He's like, bro, I didn't know you were like a creator, and he gave me my $10 back, which I feel bad about. I'd rather pay him the $10, bro. That whole place is a private collection owned by a guy who passed away 17 months ago. I'm gonna tell you more about it. We're gonna get very familiar with that spot. There's so much in there, I couldn't even soak it in. There's Denny's. Easy. How do you say it? They close on a Saturday? I guess so. That's odd. Ooh, that sounds good up here. Bro, today's been wild. Anytime you leave your house by yourself, bro, you don't know what the hell is gonna happen. I punched my neighbor in the face, and then we shook hands. Ooh, it smells like weed. I mean, skunk. I can't even tell the difference between skunk and weed no more, bro. They both smell awesome to me. Oh no. They're good. Whoa. Ha! Woo! That guy was stopped. Woo! Bro, this is almost as fun as going fast. No lie, it might be more fun. It's more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast bike slow, right? Shit, bro. Check it out, nitrous. Damn, bro, that thing ain't no joke. Today is exciting, man. Let's see if we got the cops waiting on us. I punched that guy in his face, dude. And I'll punch anybody else. Any one of you motherfuckers wants to come up, dude. And that was like the level 3 hit. If you want the level 20, come get you a piece. Oh god dang, go, 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 go. Angry D is back, motherfucker. Bro, for real, I had enough, dude. I had enough. I ain't taking no shit from nobody, not 1 second of it. I'm a grown ass man. You don't fucking tell me what to do. Don't you tell me to take my pants off. Golly, bro. Alright, yo, man. Thanks for hanging out today. This is cool. That place was amazing, dude. I could spend an hour just looking at each one of those bikes. And we may just do that. We may do that shit together. Them guys are real cool and knowledgeable too, so they're probably willing to tell us anything we want to know, you know? Man, really good guys. There's 3 guys taking care of that place. There's a documentary put out. I'll put a link to the documentary. Ooh, I'm gonna put a link to the documentary in the description of the video, and maybe it's on Vimeo, but if it's on YouTube, I'll try to link it as an end card, maybe. Oh, I think can you only do that with your videos? I don't know. All right, love you guys. Thank you. Today was fun.